In this video, you will review the assignments students will complete within the agency. During their placement, students are expected to complete a process recording assignment. For this assignment, they will have to talk to a client for at least 15 minutes. After this interaction, the student will type up a transcript of the conversation, gut-level reactions during the engagement, and relate the interaction to theory. The FI or TS are to provide the student with feedback over the engagement and document them on the sheet. The process recording document can be found in the field manual. Also listed in the field manual is the GYM self-assessment document that they will use to evaluate their interactions with clients. This will also fall under one of the learning plan assignments. In this image, you will see where each of these documents is located. As the process recording assignment's due date approaches, students will discuss it more in class with their instructor. As the students develop professionally and complete tasks within the agency, they can document some of their learning and activities with the learning plan. The students and the FI and TS should collaboratively discuss this document and decide on tasks together. There are different levels of internships that will call for different tasks to be satisfied and completed. The students will be informed of what behaviors must be satisfied in their field class. The learning plan can be found in the field manual on our department's website. Again, the different levels of the students will call for different practice behaviors and tasks to be completed. Our entry-level students do not have to complete some of the items, and the clinical students will have a lengthier learning plan. The student should bring his or her learning plan to their TS and FI for review. Each supervisor should have an idea of who will be doing what activity with the student. It is encouraged that the student and supervisors collaborate on this document and fill in the learning activities portion within the first 2 weeks of the internship. The learning plan may change over the course of the internship, and the learning plan should be changed if a better learning opportunity presents itself that will satisfy that learning plan item. The plan should not be changed because of time shortage, convenience, or simplification. Supervisors must agree with any changes that are made, and the changes should be marked on the learning plan opposed to being erased. The far right column of the learning plan notes completion, which includes the date it was completed, who authorized the completion, and a comment related to how the practice behavior was demonstrated. The plan will be marked when the supervisor notes completion of the assignment, and the student and supervisor do not have to wait until the end of the semester to fill this out. The student is expected to continue to demonstrate competence and further development of skill throughout the internship. The skill practice does not end when the behavior is marked off, and the student should use concurrent documentation for each satisfied learning plan item. The documentation should be added into the journal assignment, and weekly, the full learning plan should be uploaded to the student journal as well. The journal is a daily tracking tool that is used to document days in placement and are due within 24 hours. Students will review what the journal looks like in more detail when they attend field class. All learning plan assignments must be completed by the end of the semester. The learning plan is used as a way to track the student's development and used as an evaluation tool at the end of the semester. There is a rating system within the learning plan, and supervisors are expected to rate the student on each behavior that was completed. The rating scale is self-explanatory. Negative behaviors are indicated by a rating of 0 to 3, 4 represents beginning level competency, 7 is competent, and 10 represents full mastery of the behaviors, indicating that the student is ready to perform as a professional. This document will be signed and turned in with comments and the ratings from both the TS and FI at the end of the semester. Supervisors may also use this opportunity to discuss with the students where they believe they fall on the rating scale. It provides the opportunity for self-reflection and to discuss the similarities and differences in expectations and demonstration. By the end of the placement, all required behaviors must be completed and rated.